The indigenous people of Tripura have suffered enough, and we are not here to ask for personal posts and positions. We want a constitutional solution on our demand for Greater Tripura land from the Government of India. If the Government of India wants to settle it, they can do it. If they don't want to settle it, then we have been agitating for such a long time, and we'll continue agitation.
But as you said, we don't want to be like the Naga Festival, which is taking place so long. So when can this solution, how long will
People lose the patience, then the Government of India has to handle it. So we are all children of India, and the Government of India should treat us equally. Tripura has made immense sacrifice. The indigenous people have made a lot of sacrifice. We want to look ahead, but if they have to look ahead, then they have to treat us as equal partners, the community, not the politicians. And if they look down upon us and they don't take us seriously, then the Government of India will have to contend with a lot of turmoil and problems in the days to come. So I would urge upon the Government of India that to use their wisdom, their knowledge, and bring a permanent solution to the genuine demands of the indigenous people of India. See, you can win all the matches and lose in the finals. So I don't believe in semi-finals and finals anymore. Second, people who thought that media mocked me that Mishra is not coming. Senior journalists, so-called intellectuals mocked me that A.K. Mishra will not come. Who is A.K. Mishra? But he's come here. You've seen him with your own eyes. So eventually, to those so-called intellectuals who claim to be torchbearers of the Tripura society, I think truth always wins. मैं सत्य के रास्ते में हूँ, आई नो, मैंने सच बोला था और आज सच्चाई सामने आ गई. नाउ दोज पीपल जिनको सोल्यूशन नहीं चाहिए, जिनको दुकान बनाकर तिपरासा को एक्सप्लॉइट करना है, वो बोलते रहेंगे. मेरा काम है तिपरासा को कुछ देना, एंड दैट इज़ व्हाट आई विल डू. अगर मैं ये अपना लाइन में चलते रहूँ, इफ़ आई एम कमिटेड टू माई कम्युनिटी, I will be able to achieve something. If I become like other politicians, ask for this post, that post, some funds here, then in the end I will also fall prey to what's happened to the other politicians. So I'm very clear, and believe me, I am fighting with God on my side. I am fighting with truth in my mind, and I know that one day I will win, and I will win because the poor Tiprasas in villages, they love me and they have hope that I will not disappoint them. Thank you.
Thanks.